What's going on, you guys? This is Aaron Forex Scott shooting this video because I wanted to share with you a quick update on a trade that we took based off of the perfect entry trading system, the PET system. We took a trade on gold based off of the setup that we had. Right now, we're looking at the 5-minute chart. You can utilize the system for any time frame on any market trading. So what we saw was we saw an ultimate sell signal here. This is basically 4 confirmations in this one 5-minute candle. We had 4 confirmations. There's a yellow circle, just as you see here, a yellow circle with a 3. If you can see, it is also a blue star, and it's also a white arrow with a green arrow on top of it. That is 4 confirmations, the ultimate sell confirmation that we get from the system, followed by our enter arrow, which is this yellow arrow here, followed by another confirmation of a sell once price crosses over our yellow line, which is our customized EMA. Once it crosses over and it gives us an indication that market structure is broken and we get a first retracement. If the first retracement is not higher than our ultimate sell signal, we start putting in orders. I kind of got in late. Some of the people that were on the team, they got in way up here based off of this first impulsive move. But after this first impulsive move, I saw this move. I didn't get in yet. When the retracement happened, I went ahead and put in my sell stop orders in, and the market activated and went directly into profit. It's still going into profit. As you can see, it's well over 200 pips in profit. I have 3 of them in. I also have 1 in for S&P 500. You can pull that up as well. This is the S&P 500. This is what we saw on a 5-minute chart. All the way down here, we got the ultimate buy signal. Way down here, got the ultimate buy signal. I caught this a little bit. I saw that it was about to retrace. Before I went to bed, I went ahead and put a buy stop order in just in case. It activated my buy stop order, and as you can see, it went directly into profit. We're actually starting now to start to get the sell signals. It's coming up to resistance. We got our ultimate sell signal. We got our enter signal. It has not crossed over our EMA yet, so I am not getting in this trade until it crosses over the EMA. So I'm gonna put my sell stop order here. This is my buy order. This is my stop loss for my buy order. So I protected my profits. In case it does want to continue, it'll continue to go into profit for the buy. But if this sell signal holds, it'll eventually activate my sell stop order. It'll close out my buy, activate my sell stop order, and put me in a profit as well. Right now, it is the 18th of May. If you want access to the perfect entry trading system, there's 2 options to do it. You can join our team with our full educational platform. And once you go through our 2-week syllabus and you learn how to trade the markets the right way, you will get access for free. It's either that or you reach a certain rank in our team organization, you will get access for free. If you want access outside of that, you can pay a one-time fee. So get in contact with me today. I will get you connected. I will show you some more information. I will show you how exclusive our team is. I will show you how valuable our educational platform is. And I will show you how you can take advantage of this amazing opportunity. That way you can get access to the perfect entry trading system. You can get access to our team strategies, our live trading sessions. You can get access to daily signals, daily markups, daily trade setups, and a very, very valuable educational platform that will teach you how to trade the right way. We have a 2-week syllabus that will walk you through step by step on what you need to watch, what you need to follow. And within them 2 weeks, you're going to learn an intraday strategy and a 20 pip and dip strategy. With that 20 pip and dip strategy, you're also going to get a 20 pip and dip template that you can utilize on TradingView. So you will have a perfect entry trading system for MetaTrader 4, and you will also have the 20 pip and dip template on TradingView. That way you can utilize your phone or your computer to find amazing setups based off of systems that have a proven track record to win. If you want to escalate your win ratio, you can utilize not just the perfect entry trading system, but the full education is going to teach you how to mark up your charts. It's going to teach you how to trade based off of institutional levels of support and resistance. And once you understand the market and you know how to trade the market based off of fundamentals and technical analysis, you can utilize the 20 pip and dip template on TradingView and the PETS system on MT4 to give you the confirmation you need That way you know you're on the right side of the trade at the right time. I'm telling you, you do not want to miss this opportunity to get your hands on this system. We are launching in the summer. Once we launch, there is going to be a monthly fee on top of the educational system. It's going to be a monthly fee for the pet system alone. We have dashboards, we have tools. Let me show you the dashboard. This is one of our dashboards and our scanners that we have. The Pets PMBO dashboard. I'm not even going to go into the strategy itself, but with this dashboard and this strategy, you can catch well over 500 to 1,000 pips every single week. And that's including the losses. I've seen weeks where people have caught over 2,000 pips based off of this scanner and the strategy that is attached to it. There is going to be a monthly fee if you decide to wait until we launch. If you want access to these tools, if you want access to the educational platform, if you want access to our team and to be put in a position where you can quite frankly, you can start making weekly residual income based off of our team growth if you get in position now. If you wait until the end of the year or the end of the summer, you're going to be further down the downline than where you can be if you join right now. We have people that are on the team that are learning how to trade. They're utilizing the tools. They're making daily profits based off of their own analysis, the systems, or the trade signals, but quite few of them, some of them are making weekly residuals, and they really haven't even built a team. They just got in position, they stuck into it, they started going through the information, they started going through the educational platform, they jumped on the live sessions, they showed that they are willing to work, they are willing to learn, and our team helped them build. Therefore, they're now making weekly residual income. You do not want to miss this opportunity. I'm telling you, if you are losing in your trading journey, you need this system. Not only this system, you need this education. There's a lot of people that are jumping in, and within 2 weeks to 30 days, their trading experience elevates. They start getting the results that they truly reserve. They're starting making money on a daily basis. Therefore, they can start teaching people how to trade. And once you have that power in your hands, you can start making weekly residual income. Hopefully you make the right decision. Right now, we're going through quarantine. This is just the beginning. Our economy as we know it is crashing, and it is an economic reset. You do not want to be left on the other side when all of the smoke clears. I want to help you. I am here to help you. Our team is here to support you. So hopefully you make the right decision, get in contact with me so I can get you set up. It's only $99 to get connected with our educational platform. There's other platforms out there that are charging $200, $300 a month, $5,000 for a weekend, things like that. $99, I've seen people come in and within the first week or 2 weeks, they make their money back. I actually had a person that joined. She got on one of our live sessions. She paid $99, got on our live sessions in the next couple of hours, and she made her money back on that live. The possibilities are there. Of course, investing is risky. Anything with dealing with business is risky. Nothing is 100% guaranteed. But if you dedicate yourself to the education, you utilize the tools the right way, and you follow the system on how we teach you how to use it, you will discover your trading enhancing. Therefore, you will start making more money. You will start, your win ratio will go up, and you will see the results that you deserve. So hopefully you get in contact with me. If you're watching this on YouTube, click on the link. There's a free workshop. I want you to watch that workshop. It is a webinar from some of our leaders in our company. I am one of them. I am already teaching well over 1,000 people on the team how to trade Forex. And a lot of them are making money daily. Some of them are making money weekly. Quite a few of them are making weekly residuals on top of their daily trading. So hopefully you watching this video, it gives you enough information that way you can make a decision that is going to help change your financial future, not just for yourself and your family, but for everyone that you come in contact with. Hopefully you have a blessed 2020. I know we're going through a lot in 2020. It's going to be a roller coaster ride. Buckle your seatbelts, get ready. But the ones that are taking advantage of this time will be the ones that receive financial freedom, even during a crisis. I see you guys in the next video.